Hello. Welcome to my craft studio. Come on in and make some simple paper embellishments with me. I have provided a free digital download of a very pretty paper print. Today's digital print was generated by me using Midjourney AI. You can get this free digital print by clicking the link below in the video description. There is a library of free downloads available to use. Just look for the clip art and misc section in the library and choose Abstract but Watercolor Art 1. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel.
Hey everybody, today we're going to be making our own simple embellishments using a digital print, and after we print it off on cardstock we're going to enhance it a little bit with some frosted pearl top coat and a little bit of gold splatter, and then we're going to cut out all these hearts and make these bookmarkers. And you don't have to do hearts, you can do anything you want, but these would be great embellishments for bookmarkers, for cards, for any kind of paper craft projects that you can think of. Making your own digital paper and printing it out is such a fun way to have something one of a kind, something that you created, and it looks so cool. And nobody else is going to have anything like it. So for practice, go ahead and go to my website, download the free PDF digital download of this particular paper here, and you can practice with it. And once you're comfortable, print out your own. You can use all different kinds of programs. You can use Adobe Illustrator, you can use Canva. There's a whole bunch of different programs out there that you can make your own digital print, or you can borrow from theirs and modify it. And you can really make this your own. And these turned out really cute. If you can, like, let me get up a little closer here. See that shine on there? That's from that top coat. And then that gold on there too adds a lot more sparkle. And these just turned out so cute. And this was a watercolor, kind of a tie-dye type of pattern. And these little tassels here I got off the clearance section at Hobby Lobby and cut them off the strip and stringed them through here to make the little tassel for the bookmarks. And very easy, quick project to do. Let's get to it. Now you may be thinking, hey, I don't have any white cardstock on hand. What am I going to do? Don't want to run to the store tonight. What you can do is look in your stash of cardstock, find a print that you hate that has a white background, cut it out to 8.5 by 11, make your own white cardstock. So that's what I did here. This paper here I'm not a fan of whatsoever, can't think of anything I can do with it. This piece of paper is probably about 20 years old. I can't see me using it for this print. Let's go ahead and repurpose it. It's got a nice white back. I can put that in a printer and have one that I really like. So never think that you're out of white cardstock. Look and see what you have, and you can make your own. All right, let me show you two of the other ones that I had printed off at the same time I did the one that we're doing today. Kind of show you what they look like. These are two others. Nice vibrant prints. Let me zoom out a little bit here. I don't have these for download, but if you like them, want them for download, let me know and I can load them up for you. The other one is just as pretty, but these are slightly different. So I did go outside to spray the frosted pearl Rust-Oleum top coat on, and you can see that shine in there. Almost gives it like a little durable plastic finish. And it dried pretty quick, probably within 10 minutes or so. That was perfectly dry. I didn't give it a big coat, just about 3 seconds. Sprayed it over, and that was done. Did that on both of them here. This was a mistake that I had bought about a month or so ago. I went into Walmart to buy just a clear gloss. When I got home and sprayed something, I realized it was frosted. But it was a wonderful mistake. This has been used on several projects since then. Makes a very nice pearlescent type of surface to work on. And I'm really pleased with this wrong purchase. So after I got done spraying that and it dried off for about 10 minutes, I brought it inside. And I had picked this gold paper splatter watercolor paint up from, I think it was Spellbinders or no, scrapbook.com. And what I did, I squirted a little bit into a little bowl, dipped my paintbrush on it, and just kind of splattered it like this, and got all that gold flecks all over my paper. Waited about 5 minutes or so. It's perfectly dry, ready to go, and I cut out in a whole bunch of shapes. The shapes that I cut out today was all different size hearts. Valentine's just around the corner. I guess hearts was on my mind. And so I just cut out a bunch of these. And with the paper having colors all over the spectrum, I got out all kinds of different colors, different shapes, different interest points. And so these turned out really nice. I already kind of pre-set up the bookmarkers we're going to put together here. Let me grab those. Kind of laid them out in the direction that I kind of wanted to go for today. Let me zoom back in. There we go. Decided to kind of go with an all blue theme and all pink, then kind of mix and match here a little bit. Now I just recently started using this Barely Arts Precision Craft Glue. This is great stuff. It is thin, it dries easy, it comes out of this little precision tip very nicely, and I'd highly recommend this. Now you don't have to make bookmarkers, I just happen to be in a bookmarker mood today. I cut out 8 bookmarks out of one sheet of 8.5 by 11 white cardstock, and these are approximately 2 inches wide by about 5.25 inches long. And so 4 across, 2 rows, made 8 of them, rounded the corners here, drew a little border around, and kept it quite simple. All right, so I'm just going to glue each of these down one at a time, and I'll fast forward just so you don't have to watch all this tedious little process here. Okay, all glued down. Let those dry for a minute. I'm going to punch some holes in here and make the tassels, and I'll be right back. Alright, this is what this upholstery tassels look like. I had got this off the clearance quite some time back at Hobby Lobby, and these are great for craft projects. And all I did was just cut them off right here where they go into that ribbon, and thread a piece of string through and put it onto the bookmark. I already got the holes punched in here, so these are ready to go. So the way I do these, just go ahead and pull these off, snip them and kind of lay them to the side. And I have these upholstery needles. I have a little bit of arthritis in my fingers, so it's hard for me to thread, so I use one of these little threading devices here. And you want something with a big eye in it, a needle with a big eye, so you can thread this thicker string through. So what I'm going to do is start this through the tassel first. You can almost see like a hole all the way through, and kind of halfway put that in, put your threader through the eye of the needle, grab one of your strings, put it through the threader, and just pull about maybe 2 inches of it through or so, and just kind of have 2 inches on one side and the rest of the length down the other, and just pull it right through the middle of the tassel. And when you get to the other side, just go ahead and pull your needle out. Now what you want to do is tie the ends together, and I just make it just a simple knot. There's probably better knots to make, but it's been a long time since I was a Girl Scout and I don't remember too many knots. And I'm just going to make that nice and snug. I'm going to next just trim off and even off these little ends. There we go. Now I want to hide that knot. So I'm just going to slide it through and pull it right into that tassel. Okay, now to make these look best on your bookmark, fold that string in half. You want to slide it through the back side of your bookmark. Pull it through. Now open it up and pull your tassel through. That way you have a nice little end right there. Okay, one's done. We've got 3 more to go. Okay, there we go. We're all set. We got those 4 done. And our other 4 bookmarks, total of 8. So come join me and craft again. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you enjoyed this project, please hit that like button below. And I'll see you on the next one.
Please click the like button below and subscribe to my channel for more projects. Bye now.